Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple and easy process on how to make AI generated Disney movie posters. After watching all these steps carefully, you will be able to easily create your very own Disney movie posters that you keep seeing on your social media feed. So, without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So, you've probably seen those AI generated Disney movie posters where it would display some funny things, but actually look like a real Disney movie poster. Perhaps if you wish to make your own poster like that, then follow these steps. First, go to a site called Ideogram. The site should look something like this. At the top, you will see a box. In this box, you can type in what you want to generate. I will do a Disney movie poster for Mr. Beast as an example. The good thing about this site is that you can type in a lot of things and be really specific, and it will still generate what you want. Before you generate, make sure you specify that it's a Disney Pixar movie poster and it's a 3D render. There are two buttons here that says poster and 3D render. You can either select these options or just specify it in the prompt. It doesn't really affect the end result. Then click generate and you should get a finished movie poster. So this was how you can make your very own AI generated Disney movie posters. If you found this video informative, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.